Hello viewers, good morning. Namaste. This is Srikanth from Krishna Pulse from road number 36, Jubilee Hills, Hyderabad. Our shop is located near to metro station. We are having 4 outlets in Hyderabad. One is in Charminar, one is in Taj Krishna, and one is in Novotel, Hyderabad, and one is in Jubilee Hills. We started in the year 1983. Today I am going to show you a gift article starting from 2,500 rupees onwards. Please have a look at this collection. So these are all gift items. Those who want to give as a birthday present, they can give this kind of fancy kind of strings and traditional kind of sets. Please have a look of these sets one by one. See this. These are natural freshwater pearls. Which is very light in weight. And here they use very different shape of pearls with plastic wire in it, and it has 5 layers. So those who are looking for western wear, they can go something like this. It looks very nice when you wear it. We got a matching earrings also for this fancy necklace. You can even wear simple plain studs as well as hangings on this. Like this, we have a more collection, and we have more collection with more colors like pink, natural grey and silver grey, the same model. And the price for this fancy necklace is only 2,700 rupees. So those who are looking for the gifting purpose, they can give something like this. Like this, we got more collection at our store. Please visit our stores to see lot more collection like this for the gifting purpose. And we are going to provide a new box, something like this for the gifting purpose. You can just have a look. It's a very nice box. And I'll just show you how it looks when you put it inside the box. So we are going to provide this kind of box for the gifting. It's a very nice box. And also there are earring option also is there in this box. So you can put earrings also in this. And also if you want, we can do gift wrapping also. Now I am going to show you another pearl set. Please have a look of this set. These are with the natural pearls, and here the pearls are graduated from smaller to bigger size. You can see this is totally done by hand. In between they used scissored kind of checkeries here to give more good appearance for this necklace. And you can see the pearls are more rounder. It's a double string, and this is strong durable thread which is made with nylon. Just you can have a look. Like this we have in single row, double row and triple row. For this we got a matching pair of earrings also. I'll just show you. Please have a look of these earrings. This complete set. And the earring has got 2 options. You can even wear stud, which is detachable. You can even wear hanging like this. 2 options are there. like this. You can remove like this, and you can wear only stud also like this, and also you can wear the hanging like this. It's very nice earrings. Here also they used smaller to bigger size of pearls, which are more perfectly round. And you can see the workmanship also. They used a very perfectly pearls. They're all equal in size. And you can see the curved shape pendant. And you can see the workmanship of the back side also. They use the thread over here, nylon, which is strong and durable thread. Now I am going to show you something fancy kind of set, which is with the silver with the natural freshwater pearls. Please have a look of this set. See this. These are the 3 natural freshwater pearls with pink color, with the silver chain. We got a matching pair of earrings also for this chain, and this is very reasonable price, which is only 4,200 rupees. Now I am going to show you a familiar kind of pearls which are known as rice pearls. Please have a look at this chain. These are known as rice pearls. It has got 6 layers. They're all equal in size. So those are looking for gifting purpose, they can even give something like this kind of pearls, rice pearls. In this we got single layer, double layer and triple layer and many more layers. And we use a nice clasp, silver clasp, which is very strong and durable. Here also they used a nylon thread here. It's very strong and durable. And the price for this rice pearl string is 11,600 rupees only. Now I am going to show you bangles. Please have a look of these bangles. Have a look of these bangles. These are made with silver, with natural freshwater pearls, and this is openable type of bangle. We have in different sizes like 2.2, 2.4, 2.6, 2.8 sizes. And you can see the workmanship also. Here they use very small pearls and big pearls. It's totally handmade bangle. And you can see the workmanship at the back side. They used thread over here for stringing of the pearls. Like this, we got plenty of collection at our store. Please visit our store at Jubilee Road number 36. And also we do have an online website also, which is www.krishnapearl.com. Here also you can directly purchase through online. Not only pearls, we have a silver articles also. You can directly purchase from our online website also. And please save this number. It's 9248036721. For any queries, you can just ping me up this number, so that we can show through video call also. And please follow our Instagram page also, which is www.instagram.com/krishna.pearl.hyderabad. Please follow our Instagram page also. In our Instagram page, you can see a lot more collection also. And we got a gold benefit scheme for the customers, which is 11+1 scheme. The customer needs to pay only 11 months, then company going to pay one month additional bonus. Apart from this, the customer will get additional advantages like 30% discount on pearls, 20% on gemstones, 10% on diamonds, 20% on wastage, 30% making charges. Please enroll into this gold benefit scheme to avail more benefits like this. And whatever you buy from us, you'll get authenticity certificate like this for the pearls. This assures guaranteed purity, transparent billing, free lifetime maintenance, and assured exchange and buyback. Please visit our store to see a lot more collection like this. And advance Happy Ugadi to all viewers. Thank you very much for seeing this video. Thank you very much. Namaste.